I can finally, this is great if I'm using a web app, I can finally use an actual app that's a dedicated app. So this is the Power BI app that's contained within the environment. This app allows me to very easily, let me make sure I'm sharing that, okay. Flip over to my app. This app allows me to very easily see all of those reports that have been built up previously and cached in online mode. And I can, if I want to, drill down into any specific one to get the reporting and charting that I might need to. Again, this is more of a consumption app. As a C-level executive, someone is going to build this app using Excel first and then share it on the Power BI site. And then I'm going to go out and consume that. But I don't have to know Excel at all to be able to consume this. I can easily filter this on any touch-capable device to be able to say, I'm going to bring this in, I'm going to look at specific countries or specific areas. In this case, I've got these countries are the ones that it's currently filtered for, but I could pull that off and pull all of the countries that were potentially in the mix to be able to look at it. You can see at this graph, this isn't a very compelling graph when I've got all of that information in there, but as soon as I start to filter it by country, it makes it a lot easier to say, let's look at a few key ones that are going to be able to provide me some interesting information. If I was looking at Angola, I may think, wow, Angola is in really bad shape. They're producing a lot of CO2 emissions. As soon as I start to add in a country like Brazil, it becomes clear, hey, Angola is actually doing great. They're not doing a bad job at all in terms of their total carbon emissions looked at from the high level. When I add in another country like China, that even makes Brazil look very small. So those insights can be very easy to put together, again, without knowing all of the underlying components that bring this to bear.